What is ITIL? ITIL is a comprehensive guidance for managing IT-enabled services in the digital economy. ITIL Benefits. The main benefits of the ITIL framework, helping businesses navigate the new technological era. Providing a practical and flexible basis to support organizations on their journey into the new world of digital transformation. Promoting a holistic view of delivering products and services. Emphasizes the importance of collaboration, transparency, automating. ITIL Components. The ITIL Service Value System, SVS, illustrates how an organization's components and activities work together to enable value creation. It allows for flexible combinations of these elements, requiring coordination and integration to maintain organizational consistency. The SVS provides a unified, value-driven direction for the organization. The core components of the SVS are the ITIL Service Value Chain, the ITIL Practices, the ITIL Guiding Principles, Governance, Continual Improvement. The 4 Dimensions Model. To ensure a holistic approach to service management, ITIL outlines 4 dimensions of service management, from which each component of the SVS should be considered. The 4 dimensions are organizations and people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, value streams and processes. The ITIL Journey. After achieving the ITIL Foundation certification, which delivers a basic understanding of the framework, professionals can advance and specialize further on their ITIL path. To explore all available certification levels and learn how to personalize your ITIL journey, visit our ITIL certification page. How to get ITIL certified? In order to obtain your ITIL certification, you need to take a classroom or online training with a PeopleCert accredited training organization, ATO. QRP International is an official ATO for ITIL, accredited by PeopleCert. We're authorized to deliver ITIL training courses virtual, on-site, or in an e-learning format.